Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials: a working internet connection, the WhatsApp app, and an alternate phone number you control. Once you have a virtual number service or a landline ready, open WhatsApp and begin the account setup. Enter the alternate number when prompted. WhatsApp will attempt SMS verification first. Make sure your device time is accurate because mismatched clocks can block verification. If SMS fails, stay calm. The next step initiates. Once WhatsApp requests verification, fill in the number with its correct country code and submit. After the SMS attempt times out, choose the call verification button. WhatsApp will place an automated voice call with a numeric code. You must receive that call in the virtual number app or on the landline, so keep those apps open and check voicemail if the call is missed. When you hear or see the code, type it into WhatsApp immediately to proceed to account creation. After entering the code, complete setup by adding your name and profile picture and restore any available backups. Make sure to configure two-step verification in WhatsApp for long-term access without SMS. If the voice call never arrives, switch providers or try a trusted paid virtual number. Free services often block verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification repeatedly fails, verify the alternate service can receive international calls and that you're not behind a VPN altering region data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.